Hello guys! Good morning from Portugal. Bom dia. Okay, today I use the Portuguese money before euro. I found this when I was cleaning my mother-in-law's house. Where is the República Portuguesa? Well, it's a nice coin. Big coin, you cannot lose it. Very beautiful coin, guys. Okay. I have 4 ruby. 7. I have ticket number 29, 32. Tenho os números 29, 30, 31, 32. Ruby. How to win. Matching numbers. If we uncover this symbol 7 times the price shown, this symbol is a win all. On the bonus section, we're looking for star to win 20. And now, we're looking for in Portuguese números 18, 12, 40, 26, 38, 15, 13, 33, 45. Far from reality, guys. 43, 25, 14, 21, 36, 26, 31, 32, 22, 34, 30. No? Okay, let's go here. I thought I found the star, but it's a tribo. Clover. 26, 29, 15, 38, 23, 44. Far from reality. 40, 43, 14, 33, 41, 25, 11, 12, 39, 45. My Lord, 2 in a row. Let's hope this is a winner. 31. Estrella. Ay! I found the Estrella! Woohoo! I found the Estrella, guys, so I got back all my money. Can I win more than 20? Yes, I can. I could win more than 20. Okay? So, I could win more than 20, guys. Wow, so I got back all my money, guys. We're looking for 25, 19, 14, 44, 30, 33, 32, 24, 42, 23, 43, 18, 11, 12, 26, 36, 40, 28, 13. No, but I got all my money in this ticket alone, guys. I found the star symbol. Okay? 20 euro. Si encontrar o símbolo, estrela, ganha o... No, not o, Jessica. Si encontrar o símbolo, estrela, ganha de inmediato 20 euro. If we uncover the symbol star, we win 20 euro automatically. Okay? The odds winning in this ticket, guys, are 1 in 3.40. A probabilidad de ganar y de en 3 punto, not punto, vírgula, 40 billetes, okay? In American numbers, guys. We use point. In Portugal, they use comma, virgula. Okay, so now we're looking for 44, 14. 14. This size. I heard my husband, I said 14, but no, I heard him talking 14. 2 syllables. 13, 25, 11, 29, 32. Give me one more win to buy coffee. 23, 24, 43, 21, 40. Ay, 44, 22. Last two numbers. 31. Last number. What? 5. There's no 5. 15. Okay, but not bad, guys. I got all my money in this session. Okay? 20 euro. So if I bought only 2, but I always like to buy 4 in a row at least, guys. Okay, so I got all my money in this session. So there's no donation, there's no win. I play for free. Okay? So it's good, guys. What's the lottery code for 20? I think it's L or something. I won once. Okay, it's L. So I memorized, guys. I'm so good in memorizing lottery code. I have a major in gambling. I must study, guys. I must study again in the university. Major in gambling. There's no course about that. Business administration. Major in gambling. First student in the world. First course in the world. Hi, Jesus. Okay. Bye. So this coin give me my money back. Okay. I have a lot of this, guys. Nice coin. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao.